Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Hub. Today we will learn parts of speech, conjunctions. A conjunction is a joiner, a word that connects parts of a sentence. There are three basic types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to connect two independent clauses. I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. So here these are two independent clauses. Next is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are used to connect the dependent clauses and the rest of the sentence. After having my dinner, I went to bed. Correlative conjunctions are those which always travel in pairs and join sentence parts that should be treated as equal. For example, no sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So here no sooner and then. This pair is always used together. Let's see the examples of coordinating conjunctions. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. If we see the first letter of all these 7 words, we can get a new word, that is fanboys, that is fanboys. So you can learn it easily by this word fanboys. So let's see the uses of these words or these conjunctions. For, we listened eagerly, for he brought news for our families. So here for means, like we used to say in case of because. We listened eagerly because he brought news of our families. Okay, so this is the for is showing the reason. Then and. She didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. You can see here the words which the sentences which are being connected are independent. They are not dependent on each other. Like she didn't speak to anyone, it's complete in itself. Then nobody spoke to her, it's also complete in itself. So such kind of sentences are called independent. Next is nor. I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or I will go shopping, or I will go camping. Yet Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. So I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Subordinating conjunctions join two sentences where one sentence is independent and other is dependent on the previous one or on the other one. So let's see the types of subordinating conjunctions. These can be categorized in following headings: comparison, time, concession, relative pronoun, reason, condition, place, relative adjectives, and manner. For comparison, we use then, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. For time, we use after, as soon as, until, whenever, now that. For concession, we use though, although, even though. The relative pronouns are who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. For showing the reasons, we use because, since, so that, in order to, as. For the conditions, we use if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that. For places, we use where, wherever. Relative adjectives are that, whatever, which, whichever. To show the manner, we use how, as though, as if. Now let's know about the third type of conjunction, that is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are always used in pairs, like both. The pair of both is and. The pair of either is or. The pair of neither is nor. Let's see the examples now. Both and. The company deals in both hardware and software. Either nor. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Neither nor. Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. Whether or. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Not only but also. He not only studies hard but also works well. Such that. It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. Scarcely when. Scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. In place of scarcely, we can also use hardly. Hardly and when. No sooner than. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So such words are always used in pair. Here you will have to learn the pairs. As. He is not singing as loudly as he can. Rather than. I would rather go out than stay at home today. Not only but also. Not only Mary but also Gabriel is from Italy. Either or. I can have either cola or tea. So as. Her story is not so boring as theirs. The more, the more. The more you can dream, the more you can do. So that. My mother speaks so quickly that nobody understands what she says. Though, although, is the pair of yet. Though she know to me, I shall not favor her. Although he's not good in dance, he tried his best. Next is lest and the pair is should. Lest should. Speak quietly lest she should hear us. Lest means otherwise. धीरे बोलो वरना वो सुन लेंगे. To. The spelling is different. T-O-O and T-O. She is too old to live without help. Between and. She stood between his mother and father. From to. Is this the bus that run from Uttarakhand to Delhi? Else but. I can think of nothing else but your dazing smile. Other than or rather than. There is no way of reaching the island other than boat. Rather than paying the taxi fare, he walked home. These are two different sentences. The same that. This dress is the same that I had seen in the shop. Till now we have learned the conjunctions and its types in detail. Now let's see some more examples of conjunctions. Here we will see the mixed types of conjunctions. So you can see a table here where a conjunction is given, its definition is given and the example of the sentence is given. Although or even though. Definition: it doesn't matter or make a difference. Example: although or even though I have the money, I won't buy the shoes. हालांकि मेरे पास पैसे हैं पर मैं जूते नहीं खरीदूंगा. Next, and. Definition is in addition, extra or plus. I enjoyed tea and cookies when I eat the snack. Because. Definition is the reason is. I got wet because I forgot my umbrella. But means to introduce an opposing idea. Example, I would like to buy those shoes but I don't have the money. Next is despite, means it doesn't matter or make a difference. Example, despite having the money, I didn't buy the shoes. Means पैसे होने के बावजूद भी मैंने जूते नहीं खरीदे. Next is however, to introduce an opposing idea. I want those shoes, however, I don't have the money. Next, so, as a result or consequence. Example is, I don't have the money, so I won't buy them. Next word, unless, means if the situation is not, means not what that we will mention in the sentence. Sentence is, unless you have the money, you shouldn't buy them. जब तक कि तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं आ जाते तुम्हें उसे नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. Next is yet, means but, to introduce an opposing or alternative idea. I would like to buy the shoes, yet to be honest, I don't need them. Means मैं वो जूते खरीदना चाहता हूँ लेकिन अगर ईमानदारी से कहूँ तो मुझे उनकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let's see some important points to be noticed while using the conjunctions. For example, unless means if not. So don't use not with unless. Such kind of questions generally come in the competitions where unless and not both are used. So you have to find out what's the mistake here. Unless you work very hard, you can't pass. मतलब जब तक कि तुम कड़ी मेहनत नहीं करोगे तुम पास नहीं हो सकते. यहाँ पे हमने unless का यूज किया है, इसीलिए हम not का यूज उस पार्ट पे नहीं करेंगे सेंटेंस के जहाँ पे हमने unless यूज किया हुआ है. Next is until, till, as long as, so long as, while. All these words means during the time that. What that? That will mention in the sentence. These words denote period of time. Let's see the examples. Until you told me, I had heard nothing of it. जब तक तुमने मुझे नहीं बताया था, मैंने इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं सुना था. So long there is life, there is hope. जब तक की जिंदगी है तब तक उम्मीदें हैं. Let us wait till the rain stops. जब तक कि बारिश रुक जाए यानी कि रुक ना जाए हम इंतज़ार करेंगे या चलो हम इंतज़ार करते हैं जब तक कि बारिश ना रुक जाए. While there is life, there is hope. तक जिंदगी है तब तक उम्मीद है. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स हमने यूज किए हैं समय को दिखाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज since is always followed by a verb in the past indefinite tense. For example, 2 months have passed since he came here. Here, after the since, we have used the second form of the verb, that is the past indefinite tense, came. The same way in the another example, it is 2 weeks since my examinations were over. Is over is wrong. The correct one is were over. Here also we have used the past indefinite tense. Before, if, until, unless, while, when, etc. are temporal conjunctions. They are never followed by a verb in the future tense. For example, I will help him if he comes to me. Next example, I shall give him your message when he comes here. In both the sentences, we are talking about the future, but with the if and when conjunction, what we have done, we have used the first form of the verb. We have not used will with this. Means if you say, I will help him if he will come to me, that is wrong. The correct one is, I will help him if he comes to me. The same way, If you say I shall give him your message when he will come here, that is wrong. The correct one is I shall give him your message when he comes here. So guys, I hope you have learned lots of things about conjunctions and all your doubts are cleared. I hope now you'll do good in your examinations. So keep watching my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.